Hey guys, I hope that you're doing well. I have been going through an incredible transformative time. And I really wanted to update you about just what is going on with my life. I kind of dropped off social media for a little while, and especially YouTube. I haven't posted a video in a really long time. And if you've been following my videos for a little bit, then you know that I purchased a short school bus and was planning on converting it out and living in it full time, traveling full time. Life has a crazy way of completely changing plans very quickly. As of a couple days ago, I moved into my very first apartment, and I feel so good. So incredibly blessed to be here, and so thankful for all the things that have led me to this moment. It's now May, and I was supposed to be finished with my bus conversion and moved in April 1st. So as you can tell, that didn't happen. I still have the bus. I am planning on selling it. I was given a chance to take a step back and take a closer look at what my priorities are. I realized that for me right now, I really need to focus on building a foundation for myself before I can just uproot and travel full time. So that dream, that idea, I have no doubt in my mind that I will revisit that at some point. I know that I'm meant to live that lifestyle at least for a short amount of time. But for now, I really want to focus on school, building myself as a creative, learning more about myself, spending more time doing the things that fill me up, creating more videos that are meaningful to me and help bring change to the world. Like, at the core of it, that is what I want to do. So I got an apartment. I have a wonderful roommate, and it's just absolutely divine how all of that fell together. It seriously, in a week, everything completely changed, and I was moving into this apartment. It was so crazy how quickly everything just fell into place as soon as I let go of obsessing over a plan. I'm really young, and you know, I've always been very ambitious and ready to take on a lot at once. But at some point, when you take on so much, something else has to give. So for a little bit, I had to give up making personal videos because I was so focused on making videos with my job and trying to figure out this bus conversion thing and starting school. I am an online student, so I have a lot of flexibility, which is amazing, but it's also a lot of work because I have to spend a lot more time teaching myself things. And for me personally, I know that that is the best way for me to learn. We're programmed to have these ideas that we have to go to college for 4 years. We have to, you know, after we graduate, get a corporate job. And, you know, outside of that, like deep down into our core, like what that has bred us to do is constantly live in the future. So I really had this moment of realization where I was closing myself off by promising myself freedom down the line. I just was like burning the candle at both ends. So long story short, I am incredibly grateful to be where I am right now. And it feels so good to know that I just have like this space to come back to where I have a little bit of stability on my own so that I'm able to kind of grow and become my own person, and to focus on my work, to focus on my school, to focus on my creativity, and to focus on myself and what really lights me up, what really fills me up. And just, I have never in my life felt such an intense knowing that I am exactly where I need to be. I have no doubt about it. And it's a pretty cool feeling. So I feel really grateful that I'm able to share that with you today, that I'm able to invite you into my world and show you what I'm going through, because I hope that everyone feels like this at some point in their lives. Yeah. I'm so grateful for my life. I'm so grateful for everything that has cultivated for me and the abundance that I've been shown in the past couple months. It's truly something special, and I'm really excited to have more time to create, to make that a priority, because it is something that is so healing and so special to me. So thank you for joining me on this journey. I will be making more content coming up, thankfully. I'm so excited for that. And leave a comment down below. I'm always interested to hear what you guys have to say, so I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. It's pretty cool.